Imagine if humans could regenerate lost limbs like some animals do. Today, we're exploring the lesser-known regenerative abilities of marmots and what they might teach us about regeneration. Marmots are large rodents, living in harsh environments with a short growing season and long, cold winters. They're well adapted for life in these conditions with thick fur and stocky bodies. While marmots don't regenerate limbs like salamanders, they do have some regenerative capabilities. These abilities are linked to their robust cellular mechanisms and could hold clues for human medical research. Scientists studying marmots observe that they can heal from injuries faster than expected, often without infection. This suggests a strong immune response and possibly unique regenerative properties in their tissues. Research into marmot regeneration could lead to advancements in human medicine, particularly in wound healing and tissue repair. Their adaptations may offer insights into how humans can improve our own regenerative abilities. However, climate change poses a significant threat to marmot populations through extreme weather weather and rising temperatures. Protecting these animals could be crucial for future medical breakthroughs. In summary, while humans cannot yet regenerate limbs like marmots can partially heal and resist infection, studying these animals could provide valuable insights into human regenerative medicine. What do you think about the potential of marmots in medical research? Let us know your thoughts and questions in the comments below.